Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open Keynote and confirm iCloud is active so changes sync across devices. Once done, tap the plus icon to create a new presentation and choose a template that fits your audience. Templates speed layout work. Next, add a slide and pick the layout that matches your content, title and bullets, or blank for custom builds. Make sure to set the aspect ratio early because it affects image cropping and animations later. Now you construct the content. Tap text placeholders to type and use the format controls to adjust font, size, color, and alignment. Consistency matters for readability. Drag photos or videos from photos or files, then use two-finger gestures to resize and reposition. Open Arrange to lock layers and control stacking order so objects don't overlap unexpectedly. To add motion, select an object and choose Animate to set builds or transitions. Preview each animation to ensure timing feels natural and supports your message. Finish by exporting and sharing. Tap the More menu to export as PDF, PowerPoint, or a video and choose resolution. Export lets non-Keynote users view your work. If collaborating, enable sharing and set permissions so colleagues can edit or comment. Before presenting, test on the target display and save a duplicate or iCloud backup. Troubleshooting tip: if animations or fonts misbehave, restart Keynote, check that custom fonts are installed, and reapply the animation. This resolves most rendering glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.